Hi, I'm Keith Bledsoe, and I'm the owner here at Smoky Mountain Traders. I personally go out and buy the best cars on the market for you, our customer. Please give us a call with any questions you may have.
Hey everybody, it's Devin with Smoky Mountain Traders. I hope you're having a great day. Today we're going to be taking a close look at this 1969 Dodge Charger SE. If you have any questions on it, you can give us a call at 865-988-8088, or you can send us an email to sales@smtclassics.com. Now I'm going to take you around the outside, on the inside, and under the hood of it, and then we'll get it up on a lift and out on the highway as well. Now as you look across the front, you can see this front bumper is in excellent condition, and the hideaway headlights, they do work. It'll also give you your first opportunity to look down the sides. You can see that the body on this car is straight as an arrow. Now as you come around the driver's side, you can see that the gaps here at the driver's door are even and symmetrical. You'll also notice that this dark bronze metallic is accented by the black vinyl top and the black tail stripe. But before we go on around the outside, I want you to come on up and we'll take a look here at the interior. As you can see, it's accented by the tan interior, which is a beautiful complement to this exterior color scheme. You'll also notice with the SE package that we've got the wood grain steering wheel, along with the wood grain accents here on the console and on the dash. Now the gauges in this car are in excellent condition along with the dash pad. And as we come on around, you can see that the door panels have been replaced, and that the seat covers, carpet, and headliner are all in excellent condition with a gorgeous fit as well. Now that we've been on the inside, we'll continue around the outside. You can see how great that door shuts and fits. You'll also notice we've got the quick fill fuel door here on the quarter. As we come across the back, you can see the rear bumper appears to have been replaced, and that the stainless around the lenses appears to be original to this car, but is in phenomenal condition. As you come around the passenger side, I'll take a step back so that way you can get a better appreciation for just how beautiful this car is. As you can see, the door gaps here on the passenger side are even and symmetrical as well. You'll also notice that this paint has been buffed and polished to a gorgeous shine, and it's set off by these Magnum 500 wheels with the Firestone wide oval tires. Now if you want to come on up, we'll take a look at what's under the hood of this Mopar. This Charger does feature the numbers matching 383 engine. As you can see, it looks just like it would have from the factory. The 383 is set up with the correct intake and an Edelbrock carb with the Commando 383 call out here on the breather. And that the valve covers are painted along with having power steering and power brakes. Now that we've been around the outside, on the inside, and under the hood of this Mopar, I'll get it pulled around there so that way you can take a close look at the bottom. Remember, if you got any questions, you can give us a call at 865-988-8088, or you can send us an email to sales@smtclassics.com. Now let's get this Charger around there and on a lift, and then we'll get it out on the highway for you as well. Now that we have this Charger up on a lift, we can take a closer look at the floors, frame, and the driveline. As you can see, everything has been cleaned and detailed, with all of the floors and frame appearing to be rock solid, and it's also had a new trunk pan installed. Under the front, you can see that all the bushings and ball joints look great, and that it has disc brakes here on the front with drum brakes on the rear. The matching numbers 383 is mated to the matching numbers 4-speed trans that goes out to the 8 3/4 inch sure grip rear end with 323 gears. For exhaust, it has manifolds with dual pipes and the Flowmaster mufflers. Out back, you can see that a new gas tank has been installed, and that all of the fuel and brake lines are in great condition as well. Now before we get this Charger down on the highway, let's take another close look at the floors and the frame.
Thanks for visiting us at SmokyMountainTraders.com. If you're ever in East Tennessee, stop by and check us out.